masaktan. Kasi tawag na. Unsa? So, the answer is decrypting. Diba? So, kini decrypting, mo to siya, diba? Di masaktan, to masaktan. Kini encrypting ka. So, opposite sila, diba? Opposite. Kini coding, so muna na imo lang manan. I-open na naman siya kaya unahay ka ng pattern na daan. Coding man. Diba, example na lang, padlock, bitaw ma, ikatong kikilay ka naman na yung number, coding to siya. Recording mo lang. Bangka lang siya para sagutin na recording through social media or anything. So, saan ang number? 51 ba? 53 o 53. Kung saan sa nila. What term is applied to a device or system that in the event of failure of a component that incapacity will be signaled? So, saan natin sa 53. Dibagi mo, no? What term is applied to a device or system that in the event of failure of a component incapacity will be